So here is the problem, and Mr. Biddy, Michael Biddy of Vermont, is going to tackle. We've got that glass about to break up at the top. We're going to take that tree and do something with it. So we're on the bike path. The town has let us on here. And we're going to attempt to straddle that, pick that up, and maybe it'll break in half, but maybe not against the window, we hope. Exactly how we're going to do this, I don't know, but my guess is the man up in the bucket knows what he's doing. This ain't his first rodeo, as they say. The finest day of the year we got to work in now. That's a good thing. He's going between the trees here. That's pretty slick. Look at him go. Look at him go. Oh my goodness, what's he doing up there? I came back. I'm trying to sell the sofa at the same time. I mean, that's nowhere near where we need to go. Boy, he's up there. That's maximum. I don't know what he's planning on doing here. A total vertical maximum. He's coming down over the top. That's what he had to do.
Who's doing your work?
Michael Biddy.
Oh, okay.
You know Michael?
We're just good friends with Greater Heights. That's all.
Oh, okay. Well, they've done.
The owner and everything from Greater Heights.
Oh, Eric. What? No,
Dave,
Mike.
Dave and Mike. Yeah.
Yeah, Mike's done work for me before, but in this case, Michael, this is a simple get this and don't break the window while we're at it kind of deal.
Oh, you just had a dead tree blow over?
Yeah, and it's an apartment, and I don't want to have to fix those windows. So,
how many apartments do you have in this building?
Oh, 7 altogether. Yeah.
Good for you. I would have never known you had a machine shop in here.
Yeah, well, I've been in here with the shop 25 years with the shop, and just since the business went downhill, and turned it into apartments in the past 15 years. Yeah, that's the only way to do it.
Like awards and things?
Yeah, trophies for corporations, yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I'll give you a couple of puzzles before you go. Or on tomorrow or the next day. But yeah, so yeah, if you want to get in touch with me.
Are you available like all weekend? Because I mean, we're just trying to map out our weekends. We didn't know like.
Sure, I mean.
Morning, evening.
Tomorrow morning would be great, or later in the day, like after 6 would be okay.
Okay.
Either day. Yeah, the middle of the day I might be away, so it's better early in the morning or late in the afternoon.
Okay, so it might be. Would it be okay if, like, you know, say late morning we said, can we do this time in the afternoon? That could give you plenty of heads up and touch base.
Yeah.
We can organize ourselves.
Okay, yeah, we'll work around it. Okay, we'll get it done.
Thank you, Steve.
But we definitely want.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds great. All right, cool.
All right.
Thank you very
Good luck
much.
with your
Okay.
tree work.
All right.
Good luck with everything.
Thank
All right,
you.
thanks. So we're hoping it'll break, right? Is the idea? Okay. He says he's going to lift the whole thing, and then yeah. Then where do we go with it? All right, it's coming up. All right, he's lifting the whole thing, and now he's going to drop it. Now you're going to drop it, right? I see, he's swinging the top, and now we're going to let it go left, I guess. He's got to get it. I think he's trying to get it behind that tree, so then he can let it loose and it'll slide down the back of that tree, I guess. There we go. Okay, problem solved.